Trust me guys, you guys will not want to miss out this beautiful property we're bringing on the market. We're in the community of Orchard today. This beautiful property offers walkout basement backing onto a pond. Also, it's walking distance to the clubhouse, which offers great ton of family activities that you can do with your families. Water spray park to outdoor ice rinks, basketball court, tennis court, you name it, it has it. Inside, the home features almost 2,200 square feet, open to above ceilings, and great ton of features. You guys would not want to miss out. Let me give you a quick tour. Come on in.